So good morning everybody. What are we doing today? We're doing some farming. That's what we're doing today. So what we got on go today is more straw. We're still heavy into straw. It's really kind of kicking off, and like I figured, everybody's kind of going at the same time, and they're all going to try and push off their wheat harvest right before the rain, which means that we have to really push hard to get the straw baled if we don't want rained on straw. Otherwise, then we get into a waiting pattern where we have to do all this this stuff where we have to wait for the straw to dry out, but then it gets darker, stuff like that. So we are getting everything ready in the morning. Some people I don't think quite realize how much prep goes into getting all the equipment up and ready to go before we go out to the field. I got 4 guys in right now. Every single morning we check the tires, we check all the oil, we fill up all the fuel, the def, we check all the rad fluids. 2 days ago we had a flat tire on the 714 which came out of nowhere. So if we check all that stuff before we go to the field, it's much less of an issue that we have where it's not a big surprise. We can deal with that before we hit the field. It still sucks if there's a low tire, but we can at least deal with it. We got to unhook balers, we got to hook balers up. You can see all the guys in the background here. They're backing the balers up. We got to hook the 3x4 baler. We're going to 3x3 bale later today, because I got a guy who wants a bunch of 3x3 bales. So that's what's going on this morning so far. And then if you can see in the background behind me here, we got another load of small square straw that we're gonna try and put up in the mow before we hit the field this morning. So if you look right here, I got the baler behind me, and we are literally baling right behind the combine today. This is pretty cool. I've never really done this. I've never had straw that's quite dry enough to actually bale right behind the combine like this. So this is neat. This is neat. Actually, I'm like 20 feet behind the combine. He's spewing out straw and I'm baling it right behind him.